Hi guys, this will be the third video about my power feed that goes out towards the shed. I hadn't intended to do a second one, let alone a third one, but I've had some comments, so it's only fair to try and answer them. In here, in the garage, that's the external going out on the black cable, and this is the internal, which is actually a much thinner conductor. Goes up there, across the rafters, down to here. Now I've got my meters connected, my leads collected. I can't say it. I've got my leads connected together there at the moment to demonstrate they actually account for 1.7 ohms. So if I just connect them to the power cable, okay, open circuit. I've also got paranoid about the meter, so we've got a backup meter there that I can use. But I'll switch that off for now. I did check, I am getting the same meter readings. So, open circuit at the moment. Nothing. Right, they're both under the same terminal there, clamped together, so we haven't got any problems about them coming loose while we move about. So now we're reading, oh, that's convenient, exactly 2 ohms. I suppose I could swap back to that one just to double check. Oh, that is nice. That one agrees, also 2 ohms. And what did we have? 1.7, wasn't it, when we just connect the leads together? 1.6. So 0.4 of an ohm for the loop of the wires. So if you want to do your maths, the loop is 0.4 of an ohm. So the single length would have been 0.2 of an ohm, half that, because it goes there and back again on the loop. Right, I'll now reconnect the switch, but not the external line, so we can prove there's not a fault actually in the switch. Right, so we're reconnected correctly there, one leg to each side, and at the moment the switch is in the off position. Come back over here. Oh, we're still connected together there, 1.6. So separate them out. Open circuit. Okay, so we've got nothing. And back over here, flip the switch over just in case there's some problem within the switch. So that's now in the on position, but there's nothing to be connected to. Still open circuit. So now I will reconnect the black cable. So I've reconnected the red and the blue on the black cable going out there, but I've switched it back off again. So over here, still showing open circuit. Come back over here, switch that on. Come back over here. 23 kilo ohms. 24 kilo ohms. Going up. 25 kilo ohms. Okay. So that puts the fault out there, not in the switch, not in that cable going over there. Just a little bit more. Testing to earth, which I didn't demonstrate just now. So we got on the neutral leg there and the earth there, open circuit. Live leg, neutral, sorry, live leg and earth, open circuit. Why is that significant? So I've come back over here again and disconnected the earth from the white wire. So if I reconnect that, you will see we get a measurement from the earth going out to line. So I've reconnected the earth from our white cable to line, going out to line. This is bouncing around quite a bit now. Now I'm measuring it. We're measuring out to line, neutral to earth, 0.3 of a mega ohm, live to earth, 0.35, 0.35, 0.35, and measure the loop. That's dropping quite significantly. $23K. I don't remember what it was when we started looking at it. Whether it's drying out or getting wet, either way. This is bouncing around quite a bit. It's actually settled down to 22 kiloohms at the moment, but it seems to vary. Let's just try it the opposite way round. Oh, I think my battery's just died. That'd be about right, wouldn't it? Okay, we'll go back to that one. Right, that one's... Oh, that's moving around a bit. 29 kiloohms, that's saying. Let's just move that one out of the way. 29. Let's just reverse the leads. Yeah. So I think we've got moisture in there. It's not a steady reading, it's moving around a bit. Twenty-one kiloohms. Reverse that again. I think what we've got is a bit of galvanic effect. The copper and the steel and that creating a bit of current flow between them. In fact, if we go to millivolts, if we try that to earth, 250 millivolts. Change the leg to the other one. 240 millivolts. So that's creating a battery out there. Like the ones I got in the windowsill running the solar rockers. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like it's out to line. If we switch that off again, and that's dropping away to nothing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.